Hey, kitchen enthusiasts! Cooking quick question. What's your go-to skillet for cooking up mouth-watering meals? Is it the classic cast iron that just gets better with time? Or do you prefer the latest hybrid technology for easy food release? Thinking face if you've been wondering which cast iron skillet is truly worth your investment in 2025. You're in the right place. In today's video, we're exploring the top 5 best cast iron skillets, from versatile, pre-seasoned options to sleek, non-stick hybrids that make cooking easier than ever. Whether you're an experienced chef or just starting your cast iron journey, we've got a perfect match for you. Stay tuned as we break down the pros and cons of each pick, helping you find the best skillet for your kitchen needs. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. The Hex-clad hybrid non-stick 8-inch frying pan is a premium kitchen essential designed for both everyday convenience and top-tier performance. Featuring a hybrid non-stick surface, it uniquely combines stainless steel with non-stick technology, giving you the durability of steel with the easy food release of a non-stick pan. The 8-inch size makes it perfect for cooking smaller portions like eggs, veggies, or a quick stir-fry. It comes with a tempered glass lid, allowing you to monitor your cooking without lifting the lid and losing heat. The Stay Cool handle ensures a comfortable and safe grip, even when the pan is hot. Cleanup is a breeze since the pan is dishwasher-friendly, and it's built to handle extreme heat. Oven safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, making it incredibly versatile for stovetop-to-oven recipes. Not only is induction ready, but it also works seamlessly on all cooktops, including gas, electric, and ceramic. With its sleek design and high-performance features, the Hex-clad frying pan is perfect for home cooks who want professional results with minimal hassle. The Our Place Cast Iron Always Pan is a beautifully designed, multifunctional piece of cookware built for durability, versatility, and everyday convenience in the kitchen. Crafted from heavy-duty cast iron, it offers excellent heat retention and even cooking, making it perfect for everything from searing and sautéing to slow cooking and baking. Its premium enameled surface not only gives it a non-toxic, non-stick finish, but also makes cleanup effortless. No seasoning required. This 10-inch pan serves as an 8-in-1 cookware system, meaning it can replace multiple pots and pans in your kitchen and handle a wide range of tasks like frying, braising, steaming, and more. It comes complete with a matching lid and handle covers for added safety and convenience while cooking. Designed to withstand high heat and oven use, this pan truly blends functionality with style, offering home cooks a reliable, all-in-one solution that works on the stove and in the oven. If you're looking for a cast iron pan that delivers performance with a modern twist, this one is definitely worth checking out. Introducing the Kuhn Ricken Black Star Frying Pan, a premium quality cooking tool designed for serious home cooks and professionals alike. This 12.5-inch cast iron chef pan is built for durability, superior heat retention, and even heat distribution, making it ideal for a wide range of cooking techniques. Unlike standard non-stick pans, this uncoated frying pan allows for authentic searing, browning, and caramelization, perfect for those who love bold, flavorful dishes. The side handles make it easy to lift and transfer the pan from stovetop to table or oven. As a true cast iron skillet, it can handle high temperatures and is compatible with all cooktops, including gas, electric, ceramic, and induction. Whether you're pan frying, roasting, or oven baking, the Kuhn Ricken Black Star delivers exceptional performance with a sleek, professional look. It's a must-have for anyone who values craftsmanship and versatility in their kitchen. Introducing the Le Creuset Toughen Non-Stick Pro Fry Pan, a premium 11-inch frying pan designed for both everyday cooks and culinary enthusiasts. This high-performance pan features a toughened non-stick surface, making it incredibly durable, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. Perfect for cooking delicate foods like eggs, fish, or sautéed vegetables with minimal oil. The pro-grade construction ensures even heat distribution and long-lasting use, living up to the trusted Le Creuset brand known for excellence in kitchenware. Its shallow, wide shape makes it ideal for frying and browning, while the sleek gray color adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. The model number TNSP 2200-28 makes it easy to search or reference when needed. Whether you're flipping pancakes or searing meat, this 11-inch fry pan offers non-stick convenience with professional performance. This 10-inch cast iron skillet is a versatile and essential tool for any kitchen, offering the perfect blend of performance and convenience. It's lightweight compared to traditional cast iron, making it easier to handle without compromising on durability. The pan comes pre-seasoned, meaning it's already treated with oil to create a natural non-stick surface, so you can start cooking right away. A heat-resistant handle cover is included, offering protection and comfort while handling the skillet during high-heat cooking. Its smooth, polished surface not only enhances the cooking experience, but also makes cleaning quick and easy. Whether you're baking in the oven, cooking on the stove, grilling outdoors, or even using it over a campfire, this skillet is built to handle all. It's a perfect pick for anyone who wants to enjoy the traditional flavor and versatility of cast iron cooking in a more modern, user-friendly design. And there you have it, folks. From hybrid non-stick innovations to classic pre-seasoned designs, these top 5 cast iron skillets offer a wide range of features and benefits to match every cooking style and preference. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, there's a skillet on this list that will elevate your cooking experience, giving you delicious meals every time. But remember, the best skillet for you depends on your kitchen needs, from versatility to ease of use and durability. We hope this guide helped you find your perfect match. So which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews. And until next time, happy cooking!